Network problems, app store glitches, server downtimes, and memory problems are among the common factors to consider when dealing with problems on app downloading or updating. But in the case where your Apple iPhone couldn't download or update apps after iOS 16 update, bugs are likely the main culprits. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone can no longer download or update apps. First solution, close the App Store and restart your iPhone. Most of the time, this problem is a minor one and you may be able to fix it by simply closing the App Store and rebooting your iPhone. Doing so will refresh the App Store as well as your phone's memory. Here's how you do that. Slide from the bottom of the screen and stop at the middle. This will show you the App Store preview. Swipe up on the preview to close the App Store. To restart your iPhone, press any of the volume buttons and the power key at the same time, and hold them both until the slider shows. Drag the slider to turn the iPhone off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key to turn on the iPhone. Once the device has finished rebooting, try to see if you can now download or update the apps. Second solution, make sure your iPhone has a stable connection. A good internet connection is necessary for you to be able to download or update an app. So if the first procedure failed to fix the problem, the next thing you have to do is check if your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network that gives out excellent connectivity. You may toggle the Wi-Fi switch off and back on just to refresh the connection. If the problem is indeed due to a bad connectivity, then this very simple procedure is all you need to fix it. However, if the problem continues after this, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. At this point, a factory reset will be necessary. If this issue started after an iOS 16 update, then a reset will be able to fix it. However, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data because they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.